Good morning, students. Today we start prime factors, our new topic in chapter number 5. So before we start this prime factor, first of all we recall what is a prime. What is a prime number? Prime number are those numbers with factors those who have only two factors, 1 and itself. And what are the factors? Factors factor of a number is exactly divide that number. Okay, factor is a factor of any number is that number which divides it exactly, means without leaving any remainder. So here in prime factors, the factor of a number which are prime are called its prime factor. Okay, so here we look into definition of prime factor. Factor of a number which are prime are called its prime factor. Okay, so first I give the example from book itself. You can see from book also. Factor of 36 are 1, 2, 3. That means 1 divide 36. If I say factor of 36 is 1, that means 1 divide 36 without leaving any remainder. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 30. These all are factor of 36. Then prime factors of 36 are, among this, what are the prime factors? Only 2 and 3. And we can write 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this form is known as factorization. Okay, what is the factorization? When we write a number in the form of product of 2 or 3, 2 or more, product of 2 or more numbers. Okay, here a factorization in which every factor is prime is called prime factorization of that number. Okay, of the number. Understand? So you understand it. Now you can take another example. Here, suppose I give 90. Prime factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 9, 10. A lot numbers are there, a lot of numbers are 10, then it is 15, then it is 18, then it is 25, it is not 25, it is not divisible by 4, sorry, 18, then it is 30, then 45, then 98. So among them, what are the prime numbers? 2 and 3 only. Okay, so we can 2 and 3 and 5 also. So what are the prime factors between them? 2, 3 and 5. Prime factors of 90 is 2, 3 and 5. We can write 90 as 2 into 3 into, then 3 into 5. We can write like this. So we write 30 as a product of 2, 3 and 5. So this is known as factorization, and when in the factorization there is a factor and it is a prime factor. Okay, the prime factor all. So this is known as prime factorization. Now co-prime. As you study in previous section, twin primes. Okay, in twin primes, the both numbers are prime numbers and the difference is 2. But in this case, what is the co-prime? The two number are co-prime if they have only 1 as the common factor. Common factor means only they have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, so you can see here 3 and 8. Factor of 3 is 3 and factor of 8 is So factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. But between them, what are common? Only 1 here, on this case and in this also 1. So what are the common between them? 1. In this case also, common number between them are, common factor between them are 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. You can notice here that any number, any two numbers whose common factor is 1, they are known as co-prime. Now our next topic is finding prime factor of a number. First, by division. Second method is factor 3. So here if we go by division method, we have to divide it with the prime numbers only. So first small prime number is 2. We go with 2. First we start with 2. When we divide it by 2, what is the quotient? 30. So when we divide it, we write it quotient only. When we divide 30 by 2, 15 is quotient. When we divide it by 2, 5 is quotient. So when we get prime number in the quotient, then there we have to stop. So the prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now by factor 3 method, suppose you write 60, then we divide 60 by 2, how much we get? 30. Then when we divide 30 by 2, then we get 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, then we go for 3. When we divide 15 by 3, we get 5. So here we get 5 at this end, so we have to stop. When we get at both end prime numbers, then we have to stop. So what is our answer? We have to write this prime numbers also. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That's all for today. Tomorrow we start exercise 5.2. Thank you.